you are here. Welcome to my home.
Hi, Sarah. Thank you for inviting me.
Please come in. It's a bit cold outside, right?
Yes, it's freezing. Wow, Sarah, your house smells so good.
I love this jasmine oil. It makes the hallway fresh.
It's amazing, and I really like this big mirror on the wall.
Thanks. It helps the small space look bigger.
Good idea. Now, where can I put my coat?
You can put it on this wooden hanger right here.
Great. It is a very sturdy hanger.
And you can leave your umbrella in that blue stand.
Perfect. What about my shoes, Sarah?
Oh, just put them on the shoes rack next to the door.
Okay, I will put them here. Everything is so organized.
Haha, I try my best. Do you see that small tray on the shelf?
Yes. Is it for your keys?
Exactly. I never lose my keys because of that tray.
You are so smart. My hallway is always a mess.
Don't worry, James. You can fix it easily.
I hope so. Now, I am ready.
Wonderful. Let's go inside.
I am so excited to see the rest of your house.
Follow me. The living room is just around the corner.
Lead the way, Sarah.
Mamie! Mamie! Where are you, baby?
What's wrong, Emma? Is the cat lost?
I can't find her anywhere, Jack.
Oh no, don't cry. Let's look for her together.
I checked the kitchen, but she is not there.
Maybe she is in the living room.
Mimi, please come out. I have some food.
Let me look under the sofa. Mimi! Mimi!
Do you see her, Jack? Is she there?
No, it's just some dust and a ball.
Oh my, where can she hide?
Look behind the long curtains, Emma.
Okay, let me see. No, she's not here either.
This is strange. The door is closed.
Jack, look. Did that blue pillow just move?
Which one? The big one on the sofa?
Yes. Look, it is moving again.
Ha ha ha, I knew it. Mimi, are you in there?
Oh my God, look at her tail.
Ha ha, she's sleeping inside the pillowcase.
Oh, Mimi, you scared me so much.
She is so funny. She loves to play hide and seek.
Look at her face. She is so sleepy and cute.
You are a naughty cat, Mimi.
I am so happy we found her, Jack.
Me too. Now let's let her sleep.
Hey, honey. The table is ready for dinner.
Wow, that roast chicken smells amazing, darling.
Thank you. It is very juicy and salty. I love it.
And here's the soup. Be careful, it is very hot.
I can smell the ginger. It smells so fresh.
I have some salad too. It is very sweet and crunchy.
Great. I also have some fried fish. It is very crispy.
Our food tonight is perfect. I am so hungry.
Wait, let me count the chairs. 1, 2...
Oh no, we only have 2 chairs here.
That's right. Our son is coming home tonight.
I forgot. He finished his work early today.
We need one more chair for him.
Don't worry, honey. I will go and get one now.
Thank you. I will put the plates in the right place.
And I will fix the flowers. Now the dining room looks beautiful.
I am so excited. I miss our son so much.
Me too. I want to eat together and talk all night.
Look, I think I hear his car outside.
Oh my, he is here. He is finally here.
Quick, let's go to the door and say hello.
I am so happy. This is going to be a special night.
Come in, Kate. This is my study room.
Oh wow, Uncle Paul. It is so quiet in here.
Yes, it is. I need silence to work and read.
I can hear my own breathing. This room is cool.
Look at this wooden desk. It is very old and strong.
And this black chair. Is it comfortable, Uncle Paul?
Very comfortable. It helps me sit for a long time.
Look at that shelf, Uncle Paul. It is so high.
Yes, it goes from the floor to the ceiling.
Wow, there are so many books on the shelf.
I have over 1,000 books here, Kate.
1,000? That is a lot of stories.
Do you want to read with me?
Oh, I would love to, but it's a bit dark over there.
Don't worry, let me turn on this lamp.
Oh, the light is so warm and bright now.
Here, Kate, this is a very good book for you.
The Secret Garden? Thank you, Uncle Paul.
You are welcome, Kate. Let's sit down and be quiet.
Okay, let's enter the world of books.
Feel free to read any book you want while I work.
Uncle Paul, I really like this room.
Why is that, Kate?
Because I can focus here. It is not noisy like the living room in my house.
Your parents really do have a noisy living room. I am happy you like it. You can come here anytime.
Thank you. This is my favorite room now.
Hey, Sophie, come out here.
Oh, wow, Mark, the view from here is so beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. I spent a lot of time decorating my balcony.
I can see that. These purple flowers are so lovely.
Those are lavender. They smell very nice, right?
Yes, they do, and I love these small wooden chairs, too.
They are perfect for reading or just looking at the street.
Everything is so clean and organized, it feels so fresh.
Exactly. I usually sit here every night to breathe the fresh air.
That is a great way to relax after a long day.
It is. The city is very quiet from up here.
Wait, Mark, look up there. What is that?
Where? I don't see anything.
Over there, near that tall blue building.
Is that a bird? It is moving very slowly.
No, it is too big for a bird. Is it a plane?
A plane? Let me see. I don't think so.
It is very colorful, red, yellow, and blue.
Haha, now I see it. It is not a bird or a plane, Sophie.
Then what is it? Tell me.
It is a big balloon. Just a balloon.
Oh, you are right. It is floating in the wind.
I think some little kid is very sad right now.
Poor kid, they lost their beautiful balloon.
Well, at least it looks pretty in the sky.
True. Let's just sit here and watch it fly away.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, how many rooms are there in your house? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.